right, so here we are, day one, looking at building a broking business on the side. Interestingly enough, I've been in and around broking and the finance industry now for a good part of 6 or 7 years, having worked for OnDeck and Prosper, and now actually working for a really amazing fintech startup called Loan Options, which from my perspective is a fantastic business supporting other brokers. Full disclaimer, I'm not a broker, have never been a broker. As I said, have worked alongside them, but have never actually been in the space myself. And I guess what I have been doing for a long period of time is talking to brokers about their businesses, how to grow them, diversify them, how to use supporting products and other loan products, I guess, that you can support your customers with, whether that be, you're settling a home loan for a mortgage client and then looking to offer them asset finance or a car loan thereafter, even personal loans to support them renovating houses that they've purchased, or even small business clients. So yeah, full disclaimer, I'm not a broker, I'm not a professional in this space. I wanted to take some time, it's my lunch break right now, and look to share a bit of knowledge just around basic sort of business building that may help people build their broking business. So I guess what I wanted to cover off today was to look at niches. So I guess it's always important to find a little niche that you can work in. It might be something that you're a subject matter expert on, whether that be something like a medical profession, accounting, transportation, logistics, and essentially build out your business to support people within those verticals, and then really look at how you build out a website, registering a domain name, and get going from there. So yeah, day one, let's get into it. So we've sort of thought about the potential niche that we're going to be working in and come up with some potential names. I like to get across to GoDaddy. Now, you can use a lot of different registrars, but this is one that I'm familiar with and I like to use, and I also find that they're pretty good value. Support's great, and they've got a great cross selection of different .coms, .aus, .cos. So yeah, once we've got our niche sorted and a few ideas in terms of names, I like to jump across to GoDaddy and start to punch in some different thoughts. So I came up with my building a broker business name called loanu.com.au, and that's what I'm going to be using. Now, if I look for that on GoDaddy, we're going to see that it's taken, obviously. However, it will give you some alternatives. So if you look at the right-hand side, you'll see loanu.co. We can register that. It'll give us some options in terms of bundling. But if you go down, you'll start to see some further suggestions underneath. So yeah, look, there's obviously some good suggestions from GoDaddy. You can keep putting in there different ones until you come up with something that you like. But let's just try another one here. I don't know, Broker Hub. Let's see what we get up there. Brokerhub.com.au is taken. However, brokerhub.au is available. Let's go down and see some suggestions again. Brokerhub.net.au, brokershub.com.au. If you go in and look at, I don't know, My Finance Broker. There you go again. So myfinancebroker.au is available.
myfinancebroker.com.au is available. You can also get some other things like I don't know, let's actually try this, top.finance. So .finance is actually a extremely expensive domain names for sale. There you go, the top finance. Anyway, find one that you're happy with, and we'll go through the next step. Alright, so once you're happy with it, as I said, hit the plus and it'll add that to your cart. Go through next. Now it's going to ask you a couple of different questions along the way. Now with domain ownership protection, it will actually hide your personal details. It does prevent any hackers from getting in and making unauthorized changes to your domain. But obviously, the key thing there is to basically maintain ownership of your domain. I tend to not include the Start Website Builder. However, it is a good opportunity to look at options for a professional email address. So it'll be your name at your domain name.co.com.au, whatever you've chosen on the previous step in terms of your domain. Couple of different things to consider here. You can grab an Office 365 Essential here, $1.95 a month, 10 gigabyte of cloud storage for email, contacts, and calendar sync. Now that's better than you'll probably ever need for a general business account. However, if you are considering using the Office 365 suite, which includes Excel, Word, PowerPoint, it is worth taking this up here so you can include it. But otherwise, just grab your email essentials. Continue to cart. Something that's always good to do when you're working on GoDaddy, because they do have quite a lot of specials available. I'll tend to just make sure that there's not any coupons or discounts available on other sites, so we can grab a coupon from here and we can actually add the promo code back on the website. So again, you can change any of these options in terms of your Office 365 email. I think if you take up 12 months, there's a promo on it at the moment. There you go, so 44% off. And they do offer a Klarna payment installments if that's something you'd like to do as well. So hit ready to pay and away you go.